They betrayed him. They left when he needed them most. But he didn't complain. He just got quiet and started rebuilding. Part 1. The Collapse. Life didn't hit him once. It hit him again and again. His plans failed, his heart broke, his mind shattered. Everyone he trusted, gone. No messages, no calls, just silence. He cried at 2 a.m., screamed into pillows no one heard. He thought about quitting everything, but something in him wouldn't let go. Even in darkness, he still had one thing: will. Part 2. The Decision. He stopped waiting for someone to save him. He became his own savior. The gym became his therapy. The books became his weapons. Pain became his fuel. He trained with no camera. He healed with no applause. He didn't seek revenge. He sought mastery. Every representative, every lesson, every tear was building a monster. And the world had no idea what was coming. Part 3. The Rise. Now they act like they knew him. But where were they when he was bleeding silently? He doesn't need their approval anymore. He walks with purpose now. Calm face, fire heart. He doesn't speak often. He lets results speak loud enough. The boy they laughed at is now the man they fear. Ending message for audience. This isn't just his story. This is your story. If you've ever been broken, overlooked, forgotten, this is your sign to rise in silence, in strength, in purpose. Awakened motion.